In this video, I'm going to show you how to place the torque strut engine mount on this Toyota Camry with the 3-liter V6 engine. This is the one that prevents the engine from rocking back and forth. It's located on the passenger side. Let's get started. There will be two 14mm headed bolts holding this engine mount onto the engine side. If you push the coolant tank out of the way, you'll see this one right here. Break it free and remove it. There's one, set it aside. And the other one is right on the strut tower, also 14mm in size. There it is. The two bolts are not the same. The one that we just took out off the strut tower is shorter than the front one, so make sure you don't confuse the two. At this point, you can pry and twist and remove the engine mount, and look at that. Now take your new engine mount, slide it into the back first. There we go. That lines up, so I'm just going to put that bolt through. That way I know it'll stay. Start it on by hand. You don't want to cross thread this, and don't tighten it fully yet. Start it. That's perfect. Tap this down into position, and looks like the engine has to come forward a bit to get it lined up. That's okay. Slide this bolt through, just like that. Having to push and pry a little bit is definitely normal for engine mounts, especially if you're dealing with old worn out ones. The engine has settled in a different position. All that matters is that you don't cross thread any of this. So, if you need to, find a safe spot with some sturdy metal to pry on, get the engine moving a little bit. Once it moves, you should be able to start this bolt in. Once they're both started, snug them up. Now let's torque them to 35 foot-pounds. There's one. And two. There you have it.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.